Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We're going to dive in on your weekend crypto ride, roller coaster ride, guys. So let's go ahead and get with it. All right. We're going to go through CMC so we can talk about all the prices on the cryptocurrency market currently. All right. I'm going to get with you guys inside our chat over here so that way we can see the video running so you guys get a little bit feel for the real deal. Get a feel for the deal. Hopping on in there and pushing it for... There we go. A little bit of latency in it. Okay. Alright. Alright. So we are pushing right now with you guys live here. Let me grab the link so we can bring our peeps in. We got the Twitter to swing by, and we're going to talk about overall crypto. We got our charts and much, much more. Let me go ahead and hit our Telegram channels so everybody can come in and we can just talk about crypto prices. Alright, so we got it rocking in our group there, and then let's go ahead and get it in our TG chat. We're going to be doing a lot of different things, learning, chilling over there. And we will do a shout out. We will do shout out. Rocking and pushing, and we're going to run through the crypto market. Alright, so you've seen all those telegrams that we were pushing through. Alright, we'll do our shout outs, but let's go ahead and dive on in. So, we got CMC coin market cap. So, today, guys, is May 13th, and it is Saturday. Happy weekend to you guys. Hope you guys are having some fun. Get outside, go touch some grass, get up out them chairs, get away from the charts, but make sure to get your dose of the latest and greatest. Okay, so today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is at 1.1 trillion. 24-hour volume is at 24 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 46.4%. Ethereum dominance at 19.7%. GUI gas is at 37, so it is okay at the moment. All right, the overall coin cryptocurrency market cap is up, you see, slightly, 0.3%. You know, so that's just stuff that we're watching, and we're going to see how we're moving through the weekend. We did yesterday's video talking about the pullbacks, so now we're just going to be looking for those levels for tomorrow for the weekly close. All right, Bitcoin coming in at 26,858. Past 24 hours is at 0.1% to the upside, and we're still at 6.9 in the 7-day. $520 billion market cap and 10.2 billion in volume. Ethereum at 1,799. 24-hour to the downside 0.6 and 5% in the past week. Weekly close tomorrow, $221 billion market cap, 4.8 billion in volume. I thought there'd be a little bit more volume on chain because I was looking at on-chain analysis for Ethereum, but actually the volume hasn't really came in. So less wallets but bigger amounts. All right, USDT, look at that, 82.8 billion. So they're pushing almost to 83, and we talk about this in every single video that we watch, and we're saying, okay, let's see if that USDT, that pair trading against all the other pairs, how utilized is it going to be? Because you need to make sure that you diversify your stable coins, all right? Because you never know what's going to be happening in the market, and you want to make sure you diversify your portfolio and you hold and you are safe, and always use a ledger. Guys, don't forget to smash that bell, hit that like, rocking, chilling, and chilling. Swing by the Twitter page also because we drop it, and we got a lot of different info that's coming out and pushing for you guys. All right, don't forget to swing by, and we're going to be doing some trading sessions again, and we're going to be doing that in the Telegram group. But go ahead and swing by the Twitter and utilize the links so you can get your bonuses You can get up to 4.2K on Femex right now by using my link. Because we're rocking out and working with the guys on the book maps and the algos, and setting the prices on the back end inside these exchanges and how they run. So go ahead and use that link and enjoy your bonuses and learning sessions and rock out there. All right, hit that bell, hit the notifications, and we're gonna get you guys pushing. Okay, so BNB at $311. Okay, and that is to the upside, actually 0.8 in 24 hours, and 7 days down 3.6, $48.5 billion market cap. So it's below that 50. We're just, this week I want to see, depending on what we close tomorrow, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to have different setups each day of the week so you guys can follow along, and we'll get that information out to you guys during the opens of the New York sessions, after we go through and I analyze, read the charts, read the news, read the global economy, see how everything's doing, markets, and etc. Okay, USDC coin, $29.9 billion market cap, $2 billion in volume. So that's definitely another pair that's being used and being traded against. I want to see if they're actually going to utilize, and we're going to start seeing more volume increase across that, because I don't think they're going to want a market evaluation with a stable coin taking over full market at that $82 billion market cap. You know what I mean? XRP sitting at 42 cents. All right, today it's pulled back 1.2% and 7.3 in the 7 day. $22 billion market cap, and this had 404 million in volume. I thought there'd be more volume today because they used the Ripple Labs, okay, and the Ripple network to transfer a value from one to another, and it's being utilized a lot in the shipping industry and auto shipping across international seas. Cardano, 36 cents today, pullback 1.1%, 7 day 4%, and the market cap's at 12.7. So from number 6 to 7 coin, there's actually a big gap in between there. Volume low on Cardano, so that's something we're going to pay attention to. Is the volume going to keep trickling down, or are we going to see an increase in volume? So that's what we got to pay attention to see how these blockchains are being utilized. Dogecoin, okay, at that 7 cent mark, okay, $10 billion market cap, $156 million in volume, low for a weekend, okay. Solana at 20 bucks, all right, 0.2 to the upside today, and 4.9 in past week to the downside. $8.2 billion market cap, 233 million in volume. And here we go, Matic at that 85 cent level. We talked about that target, we thought, and we said we're going to hit that 85 cent level target, so boom, we hit that. It's pulled back 1.9% today, and in the 7 day pullback 13%. So we'll take a look at that, all right, and we'll run through it. Stablecoin BUSD, Binance now has the market cap of 5.6 billion, and it's 1.4 billion in volume, so they're utilizing those. If there's any other coins that you want me to add to my list to talk about and rock out with, just leave suggestions, leave comments, and you could do that inside the videos. Let's go ahead and hop over to the charts. This is Bitcoin on the 1 hour, okay? You can see we're loading the psychological levels, but Bitcoin ended up pulling below that 50 EMA, and it rode right along down past that M3, M2 pivot zone. So we ended up finding support here. We definitely had a wick out, okay, coming down to the downside, trigger orders at that 25,800 level. Now we came back up to that 50 EMA, and we're riding right along it. So these next few hours, and we start closing candles above this on the hourly, the target I would be looking for is that 200, which is sitting right there at the 27,550 level, okay? So let me go ahead and actually look at the 4 hour so we can show you what's happening. So yeah, on the 4 hour, as you can see, when we pulled below the 200 and the 50 crossed over the 200, all right, we were screaming back down towards that 800, which is at that 25,400 level. So, we came mighty close to almost hitting that, but I was looking at the pivot zones, and I'm like, all right, we're at least going to tap the M2 pivot zone, which was great because we did tap our target when I told you guys after we had that EMA cross at that $26,300 level, okay? The 5 EMA's pulling back up. So if we do start closing more candles on the 4 hour over the next 3 to yeah, anywhere from 3 to 5 candles, okay, and it has more volume coming in over the weekend, so that would be retail and usage of the blockchain. So then we're gonna see where we close tomorrow on Sunday, and that will give us our headset for the week, and we'll be able to rock with you on that one. Head and shoulders definitely played out on the daily, pulled to the downside. Remember that 200 EMA is sitting right there at that 24,730 level. Okay, that was a resistance level that we broke, and that would be the next heavy support level. We did have that wick out right there to that 25,800. Okay, if we want to close back inside this box, and we don't want the 50 to cross back over the 800. So we want to actually see this candle close up on the top of these sticks at that 27,100 level. Alright, so we want to close there today. If we don't, we could end up coming back down towards these wick bodies on Sunday into the beginning of the week and actually hitting that moving average. So that's something I would pay attention to. And that is the overall daily for crypto for Bitcoin. Let me go ahead and show you the total overall cryptocurrency market cap. We tapped that 200 EMA and we actually came more to the upside, but it looks like there is still some bearish pressure in this downward channel in this daily on the overall cryptocurrency, and it actually played out to its head and shoulders, even to the neckline. So if we do end up moving back down and we break below, the next, unfortunately, big heavy support level is right at what we're talking about now, and coming down to Bitcoin levels when they were at 23 to 20k levels. So I know you guys don't want to see that Bitcoin dominance. You can see that people are actually starting to load in some Bitcoin, so there is some inflow buying on this dip. So it does have some conviction for them buying on the dip. USDT dominance, though, you can see that there has been an outflow. So they're putting money on the sidelines to grab those big wick outs and those dips in order to figure out where the bottom is. So you can't call a direct bottom, but ladder in. Okay, guys? Always remember that, ladder in. And on the 1 hours and the 4 hours, if you're below the 50 EMA, okay, those are perfect times to DCA. Alright? Ethereum below that $1,800 level. Okay, so 1,690. Okay? Now, if we don't close, okay, above the 1,830, we could start making our way back down to that target if we're opening. But we're going to see where we close tomorrow on Sunday. And last but not least is BNB. BNB sitting there right at 200, found support, okay? And the candle damn near almost closed below that 200, but it tapped it and we're moving back towards the upside. So I can see BNB actually coming back closer to the 318 level when it passes the 315 level. So that's something definitely you want to pay attention to. The overall markets, as you can see on the S&P, alright, did have those pullbacks, but S&P overall is looking pretty good, bullish. And let's talk about gold. Gold reserves are on the move, so you can see a lot of different countries, institutions are looking for safe haven assets because of the industry and everything that's crazy happening in banking. The dollar index, the DXY, pushing towards the upside, so that actually is bearish pressure for Bitcoin. So we need to actually see, those are actually vector candles on the daily, so there might be a minor retrace, which could give us a bullish push going into the week. Alright, so we have those rocking right there, Bitcoin, USDT. Alright, and yeah, one more thing. Okay, so we are below that 800. We need to come back, head and shoulders. Now we're gonna see where we close on this candlestick. Then we got tomorrow, see where our weekly close is, and I'm just gonna show you that on our weekly close. We tapped the 50. We told you guys that we probably were going to tap that 50 on the weekly. Alright, so if we close below that 50 line right there, alright, then we're heading down, unfortunately more for it. But if we do stay above that line and we close on that weekly, we could see a relief rally coming into the week. Slight rally depending on the news and information that comes out. And there is a lot of news out there. We'll talk about it in our next video, but this is a weekend video for you guys, so you guys can rock out and chill with Jay. Alright, don't forget to swing by Telegram groups where I'm rocking, where I'm chilling and chilling. We're pushing and pumping. Mad love and respect to all you guys. Swing by my Telegram group. We're going to be doing some fun things, fun sessions. Mad love and respect always for that. Okay? You guys got your CNC and you got your meme coins pushing and pumping for your weekend. So you're saying, Peppy, haha, let's get it. Get with it. Okay, guys, chilling and chilling. Let's go. We are rocking. You are chilling and chilling with Jay Strategies, the latest and greatest.